to osofo pon ya to kolesi awie ya pagya yensa yencha adom nsira no yenyina ya chawie no a ye kono na momoni to asensem twefo de asem no ehye he kora no a ye bekwa kofifi Madrid maba ba mu na chese ya ba be bom kon ama mansan ya tibina ye bo pini no a wo chese na ho bio na mo pese Ghana ma de hye to abade ma no the vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no a na Ghana fo benya no mugidie no mo adatumi ede amano amana atoa eye oman no ene ntuti ahodo eso yento aso ye gusu a edemo mampani atena ye free mampani na nado danko akufo ado akache no na yedemo ekona bedi ekira sese wono ene ye kendifo edemo osono kuku MPP amanyuku no ono so dia to gya say yire so paso said ya oman ye beto aba ewo afimu no besrada se samentimo sibi ne beba pani yankwankoye ne mabo pani yankwankoye ne sekantwe pani yankwankoye ne ntokwane mum ye wo emra ene atentene ne kwaso a yebetime ede sansam na fasen se yebekwa etwobo ye wojamom we twi aba we twi sekan we emabo so na yebekwa wiase oman no a yate wo mpentin kwate ho asuo akekire de aba bedu sese no na yekọ akwakose no we yamra mampani abede yekire ekoka Christopher ho ene wonoma esom ye 31st or 9 no de sansami eto Ghana ma de hye animu
here to say that as we enter 2024, this is going to be a year of a general election in Ghana. Ghana is a blessed country. We are the most peaceful country in West Africa and the second most peaceful country in Africa. We don't have to take it for granted. I believe that when you look at all our neighboring countries, you have a lot of turmoil. But Ghana seems to be an oasis of peace. But I don't think it is just happened by coincidence. I believe God has his hands on Ghana, and we should continue to pray to maintain our peace and stability in Ghana. So we may have differences politically, but the election should not result in any instability. In Ghana, when we have difficulties or disagreements,
and no more assume yet 31st or night and all this answer me to just say so Kobase afi mwabu ne ntutua ye e de akwakoto aba ne se bibini na wonte asia we enyema bonye sekantwe nye ntokwa yenko ka ho asem ewo eye court dem ne ehwe se ye besiesie no man ne ba bia ya ba bedru no enye se bia yitiri ne ye ene ye de aba bedru sa ye ho adwuma eno nti ehwe se ye besiesie ne atoto ye ntutu ye former every vice president wo na ye former company that John Dramani Mahama ono soso na tena ye na ono soso ekoko some ewo Assemblies of God asafumo ewo enkapopremantemo eno ono soso ediri tudwa se afi afefo fra ye romi ne gidie ni se otweri ampo yankrompo no ode nsire wom bia ebedomo man no na ode adomo emu adehye na ose afi etwa mu no ekukuru ase ne nteme wase chese edu baby na mu ode pa ne emu ye dene a na enya sanketua na bi kura him no madi no se emfa ho ene aho kire baye aho papa e baye e ma ne ma yire so de mo man no mo bia ba mu odomfo kuta yen kakra no de ekodu December bosumi no mo na ne de tosonso no so ebeto yasomdwe mu a obesre Ghana ma de sie nyina se hwe no bia ba mu obi antinsi abonten na ne kokrumuti no wonfa nkoto aba yeyi mampani obehwe o man no so ene mrase bejafo a wonbehye mra papa ama Ghana me no mienu Ghana afa ne ya person na dege don papa bi afra mampani da John Dramani Mahama na futu a wode ema Ghana ma
There's some kinds of interest, experience, not only to test us, but also to us and genuine experience. The is to show them some things and expect them to make it. Why is it that for 40 years and 49? So that we learn and appreciate people and what can be done for them. So sometimes I don't see the relations. And that's the because who are despair and give up. Never give up. We must continue to battle, work hard.
John Dramani Mahama Remeda Niranwa Nesenwo and yete so no so dia futu magana ma de hye no we Assemblies of God asafumo wo enkrapompremantemo and okoka Christopher ne Ghana ma de hye ho and wo no mosom ya wo se in Christ say emfa ho ne akukuhuru ase ene mamu dine ye nyina no obese Ghana ma de hye se hwe ma ya bamu amu ye sinketeni en kan ye sinsi so na afi ye nhirafe afi so ne beto aba obi ampia bonten na onkonkoto na bay yento aso ne enfam konsam fufrum na ocheyin no osaje fam oti ofori pani na ode yato gya se ene ha dwene se ase amanfo ede o monsa bonkum nifa efum sika na ewia o mayi bo mayi krono no mo wia o makwa kodidi abonso guso akesu ieo akase nyanseni na wade na ode ne nsahwe na furu so akase oye sikani wanye sika onde esiniye wadiye wa abrabom wa bra eye krono na owia na ode akwa akonya ho si yatam ode sansame tu dwa bra na eye asafo ahodo a ewo achemne ne mpotamo edi dwuma wa akwa akopiase de ne mo nyamo akwa akota akire.
People think success is having shown your material wealth. If you have stolen money to be successful, you're not successful. If your bank account is stained with the blood and the sweat of the poor, you're not successful. And getting out there, you make other people poorer, you are not successful. If you dip your hands in the public till and expunge from it money that will build hospitals, schools, churches, pay to just what? Build bridges, to deny a child malaria treatment, you are not successful.
I was going to way I taking or Sergeant form what you for repenting yet in Kenya. Na ochre se ehiafo mo browafo no wono musika na na odi anya ho ntamo a wadidi amu afo edokose se no bo adasen na adisi wono mo se wayeye a otwiri amponyankrompo no hwe nyina na ya uye yo no ye be hade ye be kwa akosie ye nto so vice president so de atoja so ndio ogide wa rechemo se afi 2024 yi ene papa wom enhira wom empeja wom niema pinu a na ewom a eja atwiri amponyankrompo de bedomo mayi ene wechi ode atoja se MPP amanyuko ene MPP aban a wone ne boss na dodan kwa kufu ado da no no ebe ntutu ye bie safata se be na oman ne be fa ne ya pese ene na dege don papa bie fro so ogidie e wa rechemo se ahon papa ene eche se amanfo si ho tutu wonum afi 2023 no ene ma pinu a ena abane de begu akwemo se bag de kata se dream de kankan ne proya e kwan oman ne betimi afaso na se yentimi ntu ase kra ya bra no ase ye se ye befa abefo contemposo na ye de di adwuma pi e basa no a di pasam ne befiri mu kakra e makata se ne eso ate o se no ena na ban no ena ni bekoso no ma aye se be no man sika sembe gina ye Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud
Ghanaians, Happy New Year. I warmly welcome you to 2024. Samira and I and our children are grateful to God for granting us and all Ghanaians life and a new beginning. The year opens the door for us to review the old year and reset for the future, reaffirm and recommit to what has worked while exploring new paths to a world of possibilities. I am excited and extremely confident about 2024. To be successful together, we must all dig deep and renew our spirit of patriotism. We must begin this new year with hope, optimism for what we think we become. Let us be proud of our heritage and work together to lift our dear country to new heights in this election year.
For Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and na just say we afishia pa eno de magana made hie nyina ene afefoforo ya yewura mi 2024 ene ma wose ehwe ni mu ene ma na ban ene chese omode betoto akwamu ne ade na vice president oboboso kakra de akire amansan no ye to aso ne de makọ 31st all night momoni tua se duru hono mo sa no a otwedi amponyankrompo sane ebe kasa ne ma ho titiru ene asofo no a wo mo awotwedi amponyankrompo telephone numbers no se ye Vodafone se ye MTN se ye Tetigo se ye Glo ne omoni nyame kasa ema ensam de obrubi so de kire wo mu afe no a ye kwa rem ne bi kire se ye crossover ebi so kire se jump over ebi kire se run over ebi so kire se walk over ebi cross so kire se ye vanish over afafranto nyina bam na nya asam keto wu afi na enya asam keto akra emfa one IGP warning na wode ema asofo no afi asofo ne hyenkom na yeni kan ko hyase emfamfro D4 Isaac Usu bempa ono no atena ye wana esofo pani a oda Glorious Word Power Ministries International no wode atugwa se wono de ade ba ko a wosere ne se afi Nyankopon yi bibi kire no ohuye na esum aduroman no na sa esum na aduroman Ghana no na enye osum a ebia ntokwa bi na esie na Ghana nkane anyina adum nti obesere Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe energy minister ene wo mo hwe energy ministry ni so ECG ni Greek oni ne ompempra wade fo no omo enyom ntuchie ye omo fa ne ma papa ngu akwan so no huye no na esum kabisi ena aduru omaye Reverend Dr. Isaac Usu Bempa.
Sa 2024 election no be say yetie ha yie manyine ne a obewi ne ho but emoja hwiegu no a ewo mu no eno say yami ani breni bom ebia wo de wo hwe party a obewi ne election no ba say nyame amamu bia abatro no mu no confusion besi o man ama basabasa besi ama nkrofo beka so mu ntiase ama enam sa so je hwiegu ebesi o man mu ama bridge ye besi o asem we memni na temo ho wa wontia na men condemn me e wo ho na men ka say D4 ne de ani ama boni nkon ro mu hu afi bi awrade bi manima sedi ade ne ye no wan hwe ase wi ase nyina e die na besi a ebe maka na nyina ebe ko off kusum de me ka bia honamu doesn't make sense now but yama ho mpa ye pa
ena enema wotwedi amponyankrompo yi ede a kire no ewo afia yeromi 2024 na no wo ka be de kire no se elections no be de yankwa ankodwene ne obewi ho na ohu ye nipa be wu pa ewo afi mu ene emu abato ene sumu a ebeduru o maye nya asem keto yanko odifo Nigel Gezi ono soso no ho ono yesofo pani oda Prophetic Hill Chapel International no ono soso editu dwa se afi samanfo peu so mum peu abana ye kwa akoto no mahamafa.
Then I saw that the motorcade were not functioning well. Whilst watching and whilst I was seeing, I saw a strong angel holding me with the right hand. He said that regardless of how weak and spoiled the motorcade is, we will inaugurate the new president. And whilst I looked, I saw the flags of the National Democratic Congress. Watch me. I saw the flags of the National Democratic Congress. From now to the inauguration, watch me. They are prophets. We are gatekeepers of the nation. We see ahead. The last election, the National Democratic Congress, in the realm of the spirit, they won the election.
Observe nti we a prophet Nigel Gezi wono ene sofu penny or that Prophetic Hill Chapel International no no so chesa manfo peu so omon peu 2024 elections yi mahama wafa hwiu wo de ko na eno akire na sofu penny no so that Alive Chapel International no Archbishop Elijah Salifo amakoso so ekire se afi no 2024 elections no ebeko second round na second round ebeko no wose nipa bewu pa eno echesu Nyankopon yi kire no se wo asofo akese nan ewo mayimu afi omuntimi entwa afi no enwie ene wo empanimfo akese so nan wo mayimu a afi 2024 no omuntimi nko efi January edikosi December omsuso ombeto na nanam wonse do na epia eka ho papa insemni.
In 2024 this year, as I was ministering, the Lord told me that there is going to be, we need to pray for our leaders, because I saw 4 people departing from this earth, which are very powerful people. They are very, very powerful people.
But God doesn't want me to mention names. But we need to pray and stop that occurrences. We need to pray and stop that. But there are 4 people. They are very leaders, powerful leaders. They are big people in this country. We need to pray for them so that they will not exit 2024. And also we need to pray for 4 men of God. 4 men of God. I will call them myself and I'll give them the direction, tell them what the Lord is saying, but I don't want to mention their name on the social media. It will bring a lot of confusion. There are 4 people.
I'm going to weigh Archbishop Elijah Salifu Amuakon and on society in Kane and Yama, which you don't put young crumpon a year or a fimo at the afo mine home at the Achreno and an oboboso kakra at the Achreno. Yan to us so any informal confusion mantemo. Now a cobia from say a Sigma Gamma Incorporated, you say a Yacobia and Shabansia, a war America Bontes on Botaya, is your money so pa, a say a month for Bedi, Wababum Titru, and a Sebia Obewa Guinness Obukusuba Kwakusiandia, na Ebia, a Kakramo to Manuo, scholarship on the Bemawa Bow, a Pipia Wamotimia Kwakusiandia, a drum preso was a udruno, on Pimpin, no de ma amansan, a war a Yasia for Nangina. No more money actually Cape Coast or Bontenswa, Bioma Quakoye, and a Cape Coast Castle, Nessi Wonomo, say a month for concert or Honomoa, a Cobase Bia, Opa Koyo, who ye washroom, Sunomia, the idea, a war Honum Nano Donoa say, and into Moko Honum, and Omia said there be Sahase, no one and Anomunchi, every dia, or Somba, no BCC Honomo, and into washrooms near the idea, a Cape Coast Castle Honomo, or Moankasa far to Amonso, Ababisia, and Yasan Ketuana, opening power da woman, Dr. Rashida Liberty, Ninsamwa, what they etu Jamra, no more a disajume Kakrani.
Number 1 mission as our organization's founding principles of greater service, greater progress. That is our motto. That is our mission statement. We want to ensure that youth have the opportunity to be treated well with hygiene and facilities that they can cleanse themselves, but also more importantly, education, because we know education is the root of all success. That is a part of the community service that we do. That is the work that we came to do. We want to have a good time with our brothers and sisters and enjoy Africa, our home as well, and we want to come back again and again, but we want to make sure that we don't leave without giving to the community here. Because
I was going to say, oh, you me, yeah, gang, I just say, hey, America, some womb, America, Bontes, no Mubutu, and no more eba, or mayimwa, Cape Coast Castle, Nesi, one washrooms near the Adene home, Pimpana, dear, or my Ababi Sisi, and the Kamakama pa. Yan Fakasi and Coco, ye, also for Penny or the True Faith, a church international, no, a Pastor Daniel, a Jodia to say, one IGP, Jenny, say, or Befatu, no, so, say 31st or night, no, more ebe boss of no koko ya ne hunu ne doso no kre ochiri ampojan krompo na yibibi e de afọ man no ho akere na so yakwane asofo ne bi befa so aka no no ya na edi hu ebe to man no so e de enkanka wo mu a ya na efo mu ho mabusuafo no madofo na akwakoja o madwendwere nti ade ne nya nuro no kra wa hwe a no mo eba be free mu de sansem twetwa wa pra no mo ne yakunafo ene mo brawa ne nyanka hia na afia so yi wo mo edidi ama mo bi adie.
Police penny as
na esini na so nyanka na edidie ekunafo ano omo niema mobro wafo a afi omo kai wu no no na esini na so no so nsem kakra wode etu ye nemu ni
Sompa Bible Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. Bible says some of it say you are facing now we are the man so so no the share the boy because there's a way near me esa missing and so no e jebia jede ni da ba ne say so di hu yi onyanko ko asema wode ama yeso
or Sompa television so Sompa 98.9 FM so or Bono any half mantem no more Sompa 90.7 so or Bono is mantem no more so what man so one cransa so one a kentampo and a Sompa 93.1 FM so a war asante mantem no ye for more ensinian sorry I'm on my here dubu a chance so ntrase emfa adiache bia dwumadi entoa muso bio and ope akosia somua and a chinchin fidie ne de ma me ye 74 penny ni ye rasante ye boa Benedict and David Chan so and the Echo television so me dey edin na ya boa malibia boga no pay e mama che asaso mama official pa
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no na wo to ase na fa wo sire mu na fa wo nansia